Hi, my name is Karin Vogel, and I am going to practice the visual phonics cues to accompany the Foundations alphabet chart. A, apple, ah, ah, ah. Index finger at your chin moves forward, ah. Project Read uses ah. B, bat, b, b, b. Flat hand or thumb in for sign B. Side of your face moves forward, b. C, cat, k. Sign language C touches the side of your throat, moves forward, k. D, dog, d. D, dog, d, d, d. Index finger up, comes down and makes a dot, d. E, ed, eh. E, ed, eh, eh, eh. So it's an E that's open and it closes a little, eh, eh. And Project Read uses eh. 2 fingers, the side of the mouth for the edges, and it pushes back a little, eh. F, fun, f. F, fun, G, game, g. G, game, g, g, g. With young children, you could put your flat hand on your throat where you feel it, g. I've also seen g, g, g. H, hat, H, hat. When you first teach it, you can actually feel it. I, itch, I. I, itch, I. And Project Read uses I for your itching your nose, like itching your nose. I. J, jug, j. J, jug, j, j, j. Or like your jumping rope, j. And for teachers who are working with deaf students who sign, you could use the J, j. K, kite, k. K, kite, k, k, k. Starts with that C, finger up for the long letter, k, if it's spelled with a K. L, lamp, ool. L, lamp, ool, ool, ool. Sign language L. It's like you're licking frosting. Ool. M, man, M, man, Some people do N, nut, n. Some people use n. O, octopus, aw, aw, aw. And Project Read uses aw, aw, aw. And there's that Boston aw sound, which is slightly up, aw. P, pan, p, 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 like you're puffing outwards. So closed hand and p, p. Q, U, queen, qu. C, hand shape, and then you move to a W, w, k, w, k, w. R, rat, R, rat, You're making the rat's tail. S, snake, S, S, snake, S, S, like a snake is slithering on the ground. S. T, top, T, T, top, T, T, T. So I have my two fingers like this, and I'm flicking them up. T, T, T. U, up, U, up, And Project Read uses either pointing one finger up, or moving up, or for umbrella. V, van, v, V, van, v, 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 for the snake, the viper snake. V. W, wind, w, W, wind, w, w, w. So you have your hand flat, and you're throwing water at your face as it's getting wet. W. X, fox, x, X, fox, k, s. So you have a C that's moving to an S. S, k, s, k, s. Y, yellow, y. Y, yellow, y. Y, y. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Z, zebra, z, z, z. So I'll go through them once more. A, apple, a, a. B, bat, b, b, b. C, cat, k, k, k. D, dog, d, d, d. E, ed, e, or e. F, fun, f, f, f. G, game, g, 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 or G, game, g, g, g. H, hat, H, hat. I, itch, I, or I, itch, I. J, jug, j, j. K, kite, k, k, k. L, lamp, l. M, man, N, nut, n, or N, nut, O, octopus, ah, or O, octopus, ah. And that Baston aw sound. P, pan, p, p, p. Q, queen, k, qu, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s, s, s. T, top, t, t, t. U, up, or U, up, or V, van, v, v, v. W, wind, w, w, w. X, fox, k, s, k, s, k, s. Y, yellow, y, y, y. Z, zebra, z, z, z. And the long vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So A is a sign language A, side of the face moves forward. A, A, A. E is a sign language E, side of the face moves forward. E, E, E. I is a sign language I, the side of the face moves forward. I, I. O is a sign language O, side of the face moves forward. O, O, O. U is a sign language U, backwards, and then turns around and brushes the face, moves forward. U, U, U. So A, E, I, O, and U. One more time. A, E, I, O, and U. That's it.